If Telegram video calls aren't working properly on your iPhone, whether the call won't connect, the video isn't showing, or the audio cuts out, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the best ways to fix Telegram video call issues on iOS. First, we try out some general troubleshooting like make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on, wait about 10 seconds, then turn it off. Now, close Telegram completely from the app switcher. Reopen the app and check if it connects properly. If that does not work, then follow these instructions. Solution 1. Allow camera access. First, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, and tap the App section. Now look for Telegram and tap. Make sure the camera is turned on. Without these permissions, video calls won't work. Solution 2. Check Telegram call settings. Open Telegram settings. Go to Data and Storage. Make sure calls are allowed on both Wi-Fi and mobile data. Solution 3. Update Telegram app. Open the App Store, search for Telegram, and install any available updates. Updates often fix bugs related to video calling. Now restarting your iPhone to clear temporary network glitches. After the restart, open Telegram again and test the connection. If Telegram video calls still don't work, the issue may be on Telegram's server side. In that case, wait a bit and try again later. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.